Hey guys, we are back with another video. Today is going to be about how I maintain my platinum blonde hair. As you can see, this is the mixture that I have with my utensil. I got this from Timmy, or whatever. I'm gonna have it linked down below. Be on the lookout for that upcoming video. And I am using L'Oreal BW2 powder and L'Oreal Pure White Volume 20. I'm also going to have those linked down below. If you checked out my first How I Bleach My Hair, these are the same products. When I'm touching up my hair or even bleaching my hair, I like to start in the middle and in the back area. I kind of like to leave my edges last because that tends to bleach the fastest and get damaged quicker, in my opinion. So I kind of really just slap it in my hair and I'm just working it in. Basically, usually sometimes I will use gloves, but I feel like this I have a little bit more control over, not putting too much product in my hair. As you can see, I'm rarely going back in and dipping that brush back into the mixture that I have. As you can see, I changed to a glove because now I'm just trying to make sure everything is covered and coated, because I tend to leave the middle of my spots bald. I tend to miss the middle of my hair, so I like to put on a glove to kind of work that in as I'm working towards my edges, because my edges just, to me, they take quicker to change and they damage and fall out very quickly. Taking a mirror to look at the back of my head, because I want to make sure everything is covered and coated, because I hate to have like those orange little specks throughout my hair. So I'm just making sure everything is just fully coated. So we want to make sure everything is not too much on one side and not too less on the other side. So always get you a towel or something and clean up your mess, because it will burn your skin if you just leave it on too long. I always keep me a dirty towel near. Taking me a bonnet and putting this on my hair to let it sit, and I'm going to let this sit in my hair for like 30 minutes. Okay, as you can see, this is 30 minutes later and I'm going to wash it out. I'm coming to style my hair. I like to comb through it, and I wash my hair with shimmer lights only. I do not put conditioner or anything in my hair. Okay, as you can see, I'm just combing through my hair to making sure just everything is straight. I love doing this because it feels so good. Okay, this brush, I don't know where it's from, but I like to do this to lay my hair down. I like for my hair to be flat. My hair is natural, been natural for about 5-6 years. I do this once a week or whenever it's needed to be done to my hair. Okay, these are little tools that I got also from Temu, and I like to use this to shape up the side of my hair. I don't like to line the front of my hair. I think it gives boy. So I only do the edges. As you can see, I'm just getting a little extra little peach fuzz that you'll see on like just the front of my hair. I like to get that off because makeup will be in that, so I like to just get that off. Next, I'm going to take these clippers that I also got from Temu, girl. Okay, I'll be on the lookout for the video. Okay, and I just like to shape the back of my hair. As you can see, I'm only doing the back and the sides because I just don't like the boy look. I want it to stay as feminine as possible, so I'm just trimming it. Then I'm taking my Nairobi cream. I love this cream, and I'm out of it because it lays my hair down flat with like a small tooth comb, and I'm just basically parting my hair out, like just parting it to where I desire it to be parted. Nairobi is a very good mousse, but it does turn your hair blue sometimes, so please be very careful with that. My hair don't turn blue, luckily. I'm so happy. As you can see, I'm just playing around with my hair. Sometimes I like for it to look like the baby bang look. Then I'm taking my handy dandy brush and just basically just creating waves. This is how I achieve my wave look, because it's easier, in my opinion, to do it like this instead of going through with the comb. So I'm basically just making like zigzags and swirls with the brush because it's just so effortlessly and just easy for me, in my opinion. A lot of people think short hair is easy to maintain. To me, in my opinion, I didn't have long hair, short hair, braids, everything. This is the hardest thing to maintain because your hair can literally fall out if you make one false move. Okay, so yeah, next I'm taking this brush that I also got from Temu. It's like one side of comb, one side of brush. Love these. And I'm taking my Gummy Professionals from Amazon, baby. I love it. Look at this. It's empty. It's empty. And how? I do not know, because I don't have that much hair, girl. Okay, so I'm just taking this and just basically, I like to just use it like on my edges, and the edges really, because it just molds my hair down so good. It just lays perfect. My hair does not move. And then I'm taking a little bit of my hand and then putting it on the top just to kind of lay down my flyaways. I love this product because it's really that girl, okay? Then I'm taking me a do-rag, and as you can see, I'm placing it on my hair very, very like laying it down. And then that's pretty much it, girl. That's all I do, baby. That is it, okay? Okay, guys, so that concludes of me how I touch up my hair. Very simple, very brief. I usually do this maybe once a week. Last time I did my hair was last Saturday. Today is Saturday again. So this is how basically I touch up my hair. If you have any comments, leave them down below, girl. And yeah, that's it. So bye.